Hello, it's Matthew John Pearson from New Zealand here on Matthew's Technology Kiwi YouTube channel. What I plan to build? I plan to build a desktop PC, 64-bit with Ubuntu and Windows 11. Windows 11 Professional and Ubuntu. And the memory I'll have is about 128GB of GDDR5 RAM, a solid state drive of 12TB times 4, a graphics card, an 8-hour Radeon graphics card with 16 gigs of video RAM, a Microsoft wired mouse and wired keyboard, an AOC computer screen, 24-inch Full HD, times 3 monitors. It'll have a power supply at 800 watts. The CPU I'll be using is a Ryzen 9. The server I'll be building, I'm not sure what CPU I'll be using just yet. And the antivirus I'll be using Nod32 antivirus, NordVPN, CC Cleaner, Firefox browser, Edge browser, Google Chrome browser, VLC player, Radio DJ, Marie database, and I'll be getting music CDs and records to put onto the hard drive, solid state drive for the station. And I'm also going to build an AM radio transmitter, but that'll be more in depth in the next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The power is yours.